It's Wayne with Kristian Electric. I gotta sell this brand new gun to the customer. He loves the new AccuLock, but this has Centerfire consumables in it. So I'm gonna just run you through how to quickly change it and we'll be all AccuLocked up. So, first thing to do is take off all the Centerfire consumables. 3/8 wrench works really good for this. Remove the gas diffuser, the insulator, and then just go back the other way. The insulator, gas diffuser, 3/4 inch wrench, tighten that back up again. Quick lock tip and the nozzle. Customer's happy, he can walk out of the store.